boys? We're here with Alan, and I'm gonna kick the ball in the pond, the puddle. Ready?
Go.
What the heck? It was supposed to bounce. Okay, wait, let me try this again. I need a shower after this anyway. Huh? Let's go.
Ready?
Yep. You saw the lightning strike?
No.
I saw it. I got it.
Oh no, my wet.
Yo, do your job.
Holy crap, bro.
It's freezing.
I'm trying to. FC Football Life.
FC football. Oh, you still have that, right?
Yeah, it's an Instagram page, but I'm trying to make it into YouTube, and then we can both.
Oh yeah, we could like put like soccer stuff on it.
Yeah. If we make money, we just split it.
50-50.
I mean, that one dug up, and then.
I have an idea. I'm gonna do something that Subasa does. Do you know who that is? Subasa? Oh yeah. No. Subasa?
No.
No? I'll show you. Huh? Okay. Watch this.
Bruh. I thought I was gonna go further.
This isn't working. I need a. Let's just take off your shoes. Let's see. Okay, it's gonna work this time. Look at Alan running. Popping.
Lightning strike.
You saw it?
Yeah.
No problem for us. We won't get struck.
But we're gonna get each other wet.
Yo, in the water. Oh, it actually bounced.
We started seeing more thunder and.
Yeah, we're out of here.